are at the 10th edition of IEIA Open Seminar at the BIEC Bangalore. So with us is Mr. R.K. Agarwal, the Managing Director of Indore Infoline. Welcome to this interview. So what exactly is happening in this 10th year of Open Seminar?
See, this is a platform to connect the industry leaders and discussing various issues related to the industry, exhibitions, problems, and the future and what is going to happen in the future. So all these things are discussed here. We see the challenges and opportunities in future, what is going to happen. So this is a very good platform for Indian exhibition industries, that all the stalwarts of the industry, exhibition organizers, service providers and venue owners and other people are meeting at one place and discussing the problems.
All right. So after 2 years, we are actually collecting for the first time in person. Exhibition industry is all about in-person connection. What challenges do you think you will be facing now, as in to restart?
See, we have already spent 1.5 years. Due to Corona, we have lost precious time for exhibitions. But now there is a very good hope also. Recently, we organized one show in Raipur, Industrial Trade Fair, which is a very successful show. It was organized last week itself. And we have very good visitors, footfall coming from all over the region. Very good exhibitors. So the response has increased multiple times. And we will see in coming year, let us say in 2022, if everything goes well, we will be able to recover the losses which we have made in last 1.5 years. So there is a very bright future for exhibitions globally as well as in our country. So we are very hopeful. We are very hopeful for the exhibitions.
Now, India is considered as the exhibition hub, in the world. Why do you say is that?
See, we have all types of facilities in country. Now, in last 5 years, Indian economy has grown leaps and bounds. People's disposable income has grown like multiple times. So it gives an opportunity to world to come and explore the Indian market. Indian exhibition industries, Indian buyers, everything has grown up like anything. So people globally see a very big market in India to explore and to engage. That's why we offer as Indians, India is offering a great opportunity to the world in the field of exhibitions.
So where do you see the manufacturing division going now after this pandemic? Do you think it has deteriorated or innovated?
See, a lot of technology changes have taken place in last 2 years during the pandemic. The operational methods have changed. How people are doing the business, how people are serving the business, everything is changed. So people are looking new opportunities. People are looking new ways of doing the business also. So that is the challenge people are see, and it gives a lot of opportunity. Just as we uproot a old tree and plant a new tree, it is like a new tree which will give again good fruits to all of us.
Well, we wish you all the very best, and may you guys thrive and do these exhibitions, and we all become a part of it. Thank you so much for talking.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.